For review question 5, a pot of white rice takes 20 minutes slower to cook than a pot of brown rice. The total time taken to cook 5 pots of white rice and 7 pots of brown rice is more than 404 minutes, but not more than 560 minutes. Find the possible time taken to cook a pot of brown rice. So take note that the time taken to cook the brown rice and the white rice individually is not given. Therefore, I will let X be the time taken to cook a pot of brown rice. So if X is the time taken to cook a pot of brown rice, time taken to cook the pot of white rice will be X, this is time taken for the white rice, will be equals to X minus 20 minutes. All right, so from here, I can form an inequality for 5 pots of white rice and 7 pots of brown rice. So 5 pots of white rice, time taken would be 5 times X minus 20, and 7 pots of brown rice will be just 7X. Okay, this total time is more than 404, but not more than 560. Not more than 560 means it's smaller or equal to 560. Okay, now that I have my simultaneous linear inequality form, I can break them up into 2 different parts and solve them individually. All right, how I break this up, this is my first part over here, and my second part would be this portion over here. All right, so 404 smaller than, I'll rainbow this in to become 5X minus 100 plus 7X. And the second portion will be, same thing, I'll rainbow it in, 5X minus 100 plus 7X, smaller or equals to 560. So I'll work on the first part first. 404, I will bring this minus 100 over to become plus 100, smaller than 5 plus 7X is 12X. So 504, smaller than 12X, and I will have X is greater than 42 for this portion. I can actually flip them around to have X is bigger than 42. Okay, and as for the second portion, 5X plus 7X, same thing, it's 12X, smaller or equals to 560. I'll bring this minus 100 over to become a plus 100. All right, and 12X smaller or equals to 660, X smaller or equals to 55. Okay, now that I have solved these 2 inequalities individually, let's look back at the question. I want to find out the possible time taken to cook a pot of brown rice. So now I need to combine these 2 inequalities up, meaning X is greater than 42, but smaller or equals to 55. So all in all, if I were to put it in a statement form, the possible time taken to cook a pot of brown rice will be more than 42 minutes, but less than or equals to 55 minutes.